In the dynamic world of project management, the right tools can be the difference between seamless execution and chaotic disarray. As projects become increasingly complex and teams more distributed, the demand for robust and versatile project management software has skyrocketed. Among the plethora of options available, scoro often surfaces in discussions. But the fundamental question remains: is scoro truly a project management tool? As a seasoned project management expert, I've had the opportunity to explore and implement various software solutions. Let's delve deep into scoro, dissect its features, and analyze its capabilities to provide a clear and understandable answer for anyone seeking clarity. Whether you're a budding project manager, a business owner exploring options, or simply curious about the landscape of project management technology. Beyond the surface, understanding scoro's core identity. To answer the central question effectively, we must first understand scoro's core identity. While many tools focus solely on project management, scoro positions itself as a comprehensive business management software. This distinction is crucial. It aims to be an all-in-one platform that integrates various aspects of a business, including project management, CRM, customer relationship management, sales, billing, and reporting. Think of it like this. Instead of having separate software for managing your projects, tracking your sales pipeline, and generating invoices, scoro aims to consolidate these functionalities into a single, unified system. This integrated approach offers several potential benefits, such as streamlined workflows, improved data visibility across departments, and reduced administrative overhead. The project management DNA within scoro. A closer look at key features. Despite its broader scope, scoro undeniably possesses a strong project management component. Let's examine some of its key features that directly cater to the needs of project managers and teams. Project planning and task management. At its heart, scoro allows you to create detailed project plans, break down large initiatives into manageable tasks and subtasks, and assign responsibilities to team members. You can define deadlines, set dependencies between tasks, and track progress visually through Gantt charts and list views. This foundational capability is essential for any true project management tool. Resource management. Effective project management hinges on allocating the right resources at the right time. Scoro provides robust resource management features, allowing you to assign team members to tasks, track their availability and workload, and identify potential bottlenecks. This ensures that your team's capacity is optimized and projects stay on schedule. Time tracking and timesheets. Accurate time tracking is vital for project costing, client billing, and performance analysis. Scoro offers integrated time tracking functionalities, allowing team members to log their work hours against specific tasks and projects. This data can then be used to generate detailed timesheets and gain insights into project profitability. Budgeting and financial management. Scoro goes beyond basic task management by incorporating budgeting and financial tracking features. You can define project budgets, track expenses, monitor actual costs against planned figures, and generate invoices directly from the platform. This integration of financial aspects makes scoro a powerful tool for managing project profitability. Collaboration and communication. Seamless communication and collaboration are crucial for project success. Scoro provides features like task-specific discussions, file sharing, and real-time updates to keep team members informed and aligned. While it might not be a dedicated communication platform, it offers essential tools for project-related interactions. Reporting and analytics. Understanding project performance is key to continuous improvement. Scoro offers a range of reporting and analytics capabilities, allowing you to track key metrics such as project progress, resource utilization, budget adherence, and profitability. These insights empower project managers to make data-driven decisions. CRM integration. For businesses that involve client interaction throughout the project lifecycle, Scoro's integrated CRM module is a significant advantage. It allows you to manage client relationships, track communication, and seamlessly transition from the sales process to project execution within the same platform, where scoro extends beyond traditional project management. While its project management features are substantial, scoro's identity as a business management software means it offers capabilities that go beyond the typical scope of a dedicated project management tool. Sales management. Scoro includes features for managing sales pipelines, tracking leads, creating quotes, and forecasting revenue. This integration allows for a smoother handover from sales to project teams. Billing and invoicing. The platform enables you to generate professional invoices based on track time, expenses, or fixed project fees. This streamlines the billing process and ensures timely payments. Purchasing. Scoro allows you to manage purchase orders, track supplier invoices, and control project-related expenses more comprehensively. Quoting and estimates. Creating detailed quotes and estimates for potential projects is integrated within the system, ensuring consistency between the initial proposal and the subsequent project execution. The verdict: Scoro as a project management tool. Based on its feature set, the answer is a resounding yes. Scoro is indeed a project management tool. It possesses the core functionalities required to plan, execute, monitor, and control projects effectively. However, it's crucial to understand that it's not just a project management tool. It's a more encompassing business management solution with a strong project management module at its core. Who is Scoro best suited for? Scoro's integrated nature makes it particularly well-suited for small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs for growing businesses that need to manage various aspects of their operations in one place. Scoro can eliminate the need for multiple disparate software solutions. Service-based businesses, agencies, consultancies, and other service providers that manage client projects and need to track time, bill clients, and manage resources will find Scoro's comprehensive features highly beneficial. Businesses seeking end-to-end visibility. Companies that want a holistic view of their business operations, from sales and project delivery to billing and reporting, will appreciate Scoro's integrated approach. Teams that require strong financial management within projects. The robust budgeting, expense tracking, and invoicing capabilities make Scoro ideal for projects where financial control is paramount. Potential considerations. While Scoro offers a powerful suite of features, it's essential to consider potential drawbacks. Complexity. The sheer number of features can be overwhelming for teams that only require basic project management functionalities. The learning curve might be steeper compared to simpler, dedicated project management tools. Cost. As a comprehensive solution, Scoro's pricing might be higher than that of more specialized project management software. Businesses need to assess whether the added features justify the cost.